We remember at the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as helium. That is the substance we are ordering. The second particle of the stone presents itself as a luminous architecture, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of expansion. The Throne of Sagittarius opens the 9th position and orients the gaze toward the journey of light through the cosmos. From this seat, helium reveals itself as a stellar traveler. The particles generated in the sun travel millions of kilometers to reach the planets and beyond. What was ignited, anchored, circulated, protected, shown, refined, balanced, and transformed now encounters exploration. Helios extends its influence throughout the entire solar system. Each ray of light is an expedition. Each helium particle carries the message of origin toward distant horizons. Helium inhabits the solar wind that reaches the edges of the system, the auroras that ignite at the poles, the frontier between the solar domain and interstellar space. When observed from the Throne of Sagittarius, the radiance finds vastness, adventure, and the capacity for transcendence. Fire becomes the journey. Light organizes itself as expansive seeking. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along a single axis of luminous exploration. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner light and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. As you hold your gaze, expansion is ordered and the 9th face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Helium is projected outward. The will continues its conscious rotation. Thus, today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold internally a single affirmation throughout the practice. I am expanding the solar radiance toward the horizon. Allow the mind to remain open and visionary at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with limitation, confinement, pessimism, narrow vision. Emotion is ordered through adventure. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am helium that travels. Repeat it 3 times, with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating the solar journey into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra. I create as I speak.